All right, are you, is it live on YouTube now, Terry? Can you tell? Yeah, it is. All right, you are Marcus Gutierrez?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gutierrez, do me a favor, sir. Raise your right hand for me. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. Mr. Gutierrez, is it all right with you, sir, that we proceed with this hearing this morning on this Zoom platform rather than in person?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Gutierrez, you're charged by information in this case with the offense of assault causing bodily injury. I guess two separate cases, but one of them's going away. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Assault is a Class A misdemeanor punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand the range of punishment in your case?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gutierrez, you have several legal rights at this point, sir. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Mr. Gutierrez, what that means, sir, is you could ask the state to bring the witnesses over to the courthouse into open court to testify against you, where Mr. Barrera can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Gutierrez, Mr. Barrera can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Gutierrez, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you also understand, Mr. Gutierrez, that you don't have to give up those rights?
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can. And you do it by filling out all this paperwork that I have before me that I will share with you now, if I haven't already, called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Gutierrez, did you go over all this paperwork in detail with Mr. Barrera before you signed it? And do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
All right, because these documents tell the court that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and you further understand you have all those trial rights we just talked about. But you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so that you may enter into an agreement with the state of Texas. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Gutierrez, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. The first thing you need to understand about that is I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for whatever reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gutierrez, do me a favor, sir. Listen up. The prosecutor is going to tell us what the plea bargain might be. Go ahead, Jonathan.
Yes, Judge. The agreement is for a $0 fine plus court cost, 2 days Bexar County Jail, credit for time served. We'd ask time money run concurrent. The judgment be satisfied. The state is taking into consideration 715-453.
The only problem I have with that, Roy, before we do it is, does anybody know what the cost of court is? I'm afraid 2 days won't eat that up, even if we run a concurrent.
I think you're right, Judge.
Can we waive the court costs in this one instance, Jonathan?
Judge, that's fine. He has a parole hold, Your Honor, and I think the court costs are not really important in this one. So I'm okay with waiving that.
I'll waive them, and that way we'll be done with this case. We won't have to worry about it. All right, Roy, is that the agreement as you understand it?
It is, Judge.
And Mr. Gutierrez, is that the agreement as you understand it, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Roy, does Mr. Gutierrez have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charges and the proceedings against him?
Yes, sir, he does.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
In every way.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, he is.
All right. Mr. Marcus Gutierrez, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Gutierrez, in cause number 715-452, please tell me how you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest. Guilty, guilty. My bad, guilty.
All right. Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead guilty, sir?
No, sir.
You're pleading guilty because you are guilty for no other reason.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Gutierrez. I will accept this plea. All right, give me just a second. Jonathan, I apologize. I'm sure you said it, but was there a case being TIC'd?
Yes, Judge. I can give you that cause number.
I think I got it here. Hang, just tell me if I'm wrong when I'm typing it. It's 715-453.
Correct.
Got it. Okay, Mr. Gutierrez, upon your plea of guilty, I find you guilty of this offense. Assault causing bodily injury. Having made that finding, I assess punishment at 0 fine. I waive the court costs and 2 days in the Bear County Jail. I will give you credit for all the time that you have served. This judgment is satisfied by the time that you've already served. I will take into consideration County Court Case Number 715453. Mr. Gutierrez, I have followed your plea bargain, and it was, in fact, a plea bargain. You have no right to appeal. Mr. Gutierrez, do you have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well. Good luck to you, all right?
Yes, sir. You too.
All right, Mr. Barrera, always a pleasure, Roy, to see you.
Judge, thank you. Same here. Take care.
All right, take care of yourself.
Yes, sir.